Host your website with Vercel. So if you've built a website and want to put it online without managing your own server, Vercel is one of the best and easiest platforms you can use. So let me talk to you about how to upload your project, connect it to Vercel, deploy it, and get a live URL that anyone can access. So just go to Vercel and create an account. You can sign up using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or your email. If your website is already stored on GitHub, I recommend connecting GitHub because Vercel Connect automatically deploys changes whenever you update your repository. After signing in, open your Vercel dashboard and click Add New and choose Projects. Then under Import GitHub Repository, select the repository containing your website. For example, I will choose this. If you haven't connected GitHub yet, Vercel will ask you to authorize access first. Okay, and Vercel will automatically detect most popular frameworks and configure the project for you. So you can just check the framework presets, root directory, and build settings here in this screen. For a simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you usually don't need to change anything. If your project uses React, Next.js, or another framework, leave the detected settings unless your project specifically requires something different. After everything is set, just press deploy. Vercel will build your project and upload it to its service. Once the process finishes, you'll see a success message and the generated Vercel URL. And you can just open that URL to make sure your website is working correctly. And then also, if you use your own domain, we need to go back, go to domains, and then you just enter your domain and follow Vercel's instructions to add the required DNS records. That is it. Enjoy.